Good morning. Welcome to Wallyz Welding World. I'm the WELDProfessor. And yeah, what am I doing? I'm on my grind, man. I get up every day, I go to work. It's what I do, man. I can't stop doing it. I gotta make the money, I gotta make ends meet, right? And other things are happening in my life where, you know, I might not be able to leave the state, and I'm just trying to stay put. Yeah, man, but the big thing right now is Fab Tech. We see Fab Tech going on, and it's crazy, guys. I see a lot of cool things going on there. I've tried to make it for the last 2 years. Mad shout out to my homeboy Randy over there for Ameriarc. He wanted me to come be a part of his booth this year, and I really wish I could. So mad shout out to him, man. I wish things could have worked out better, but we're shooting next year for Vegas. Yeah, man. I see the men in black marching around the place, dude. You already know next year, man, white probably gonna be there. So yeah, Stacking and Iron, we're talking about it, man. We're really definitely thinking about chopping it up and being there next year. Nothing's for certain, because at any moment anything can change, guys. Yeah, anything can change. Things change at the drop of a hat, right? So yeah, but I want to get on here because it's Wednesday, man. I want to start doing this thing called like Wallyz Wednesday welding advice or some bull crap like that. No, I'm just kidding, but no, we're gonna call it a Wallyz Wednesday world, you know, and we're gonna come get on here on these Wednesdays, and we're really gonna definitely talk to you guys and give you some more insights and some tips. Now, I did have the workshop break loose. It was awesome. It was amazing. There's some serious talent from all of my students that came through, man. I call them the number oneers. I made sure they all got some custom clothing from SoCo. It was dope. She hooked it up. I really appreciate her. So mad shout out to Dawn. I got nothing but respect for Dawn, man. She really has helped me in my life with establishing kind of my own little clothing for this welding community, and you could do the same. You hit her up and get your custom clothing made through her. She does all custom embroidery and printing. She is amazing. She's awesome. I got nothing but respect for that. And yeah, and again, I can't always forget the glory to God. Always got to give the glory to God, because without him, none of this is possible. And secondary after God, I got to give thanks to my wife for always holding me down and dealing with me on all these hectic, busy days, baby. Mwah! I love you. You're my rock. You're my foundation. You helped me build this empire that I sit on, which is little and nothing. It's a speck of dust compared to anything in this world of God, but it's my little thing that I have going on. I just, you know, Wallyz Welding World is us, guys. Y'all help me create it, so y'all are a part of it, and y'all can be a part of it more. I can bring you into my workshop, and I can teach you closely. We're going to be having another workshop break loose. It's going to be awesome. I got something else in store for my students. It's kind of along the same lines, but a little bit different. I learned a lot with my own workshop, what I need to work on, and yeah, it's cool. I enjoyed it. I had a great time. We had some great steak lunch, and yeah, so come on down, man, and check it out next time. Like I said, there's limited spots available. There's not going to be spots for a whole bunch of people, because it's just me, and I believe that each student needs a little bit of more individual time with me, and really doing it. Now, I've been talking about doing maybe a 2-day workshop on the next one. It's not for certain, but I'm thinking about it. I think it might be best to do a 2-day workshop. Just kicking it around, throwing it out there. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. I do got some giveaway packages I got to send out, so if you're waiting on the giveaway package, just know it is coming to you. There's also some winners I got to announce. And then again, on my Instagram, I've been slacking hard because I haven't really found the time to get everything together and put it on the table and launch my 60K giveaway. I think we're up over 61,000 on the Instagram, but it's cool. I got nothing but love for you guys and respect, and no matter what, all that stuff I got, it isn't for me, it's for you guys. I want you guys to have it all the people that are participated in my giveaway. They're giving away welding hoods and all kinds of cool stuff, so I just want to make sure that you guys get the stuff. We're going to be launching the giveaway. I'll probably spread it across all my media, but I want you guys to know that it's just going to basically be for my Instagram, because it was for my 60K giveaway on my Instagram, so that will only be for the Instagram participants. So if you want to be involved on that, make sure to keep your eyes open and peeled. I know I've been announcing it for a while, but it's for real. It's here. It's beyond, and I do got all them beautiful gifts for you guys to have, and I want you to have them. They're not mine. I don't hoard things for me from other companies. If they send me stuff to give away, I want to make sure you get it. So I'll be announcing who all the shout outs are to all the people who participated in my giveaway. We're gonna be giving away a bunch of stuff, and I want you guys to have all this free merch, and it's cool, man. There's a couple tools in there, so yeah, it's real, man. It's awesome. I just love the weld community, man. I try to get along with everybody. I try not to spread no negativity. It's all positivity and peace with me. You guys should know that. I'm not out here to spread a bad message. I'm out here to spread the real message. And yeah, it's real, man. We're gonna take people basically from the ground up and build them all the way around. A lot of people have good characteristics and character to them, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them good character people and we're gonna basically mold them. A radar detector. I ain't going fast, don't worry. But yeah, I shouldn't even have that, huh? Right. So anyways, that's what it is, man. So we're gonna be having that giveaway going on. I hope you guys all participate in that. Yeah, man, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be real. I got a lot of things popping loose. The workshops are taking place now. That's one of my big announcements that I've been waiting to reveal for the longest time. I haven't really wanted to reveal that I was gonna start doing the workshops, but now that I got everything together and up and ready to do the workshop, it's real. I'm doing the workshops. They're gonna be in full effect now. And I got a couple other announcements that I'm gonna be announcing. Haven't really wanted them to hit the radar yet, kind of keeping them on the low still, but they are coming. So keep your ears peeled, keep your eyes peeled, keep it all peeled. Stay for real. Well pop, all day, all night. You know what we do, guys. This is the rig welder lifestyle, and if you want to be a part of it, you can. If you don't, no big deal. If you want to just learn to weld, I will be having them workshops that just teach you how to just do the basics of welding. At this point right now, I don't have a bunch of MIG machines, so we won't be teaching no MIG. It's strictly stick welding. That's all I do. Stick weld, weld pop, and I'll be teaching you guys how to stick weld pop. That's what my workshop is about, how to stick weld pop. So if you're looking in to learn how to weld downhill stick weld pop, you know where to find me. You can email me. The email will be right here at wallyzweldingworld@gmail.com. You can hit me up, and we'll make sure that you get the information to sign up for the workshop. We want to make sure that we get the workshops up and ready for you guys every month, and it's real. Like I said, limited spots available because I can't be taking on 10 students at a time. I'm only going to be taking on just a handful of students right now. It's just me. It's real. I ain't nobody special, you guys. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me, guys. So anyways, it's real. I'm gonna say it a million times because I'm so happy and I'm pretty stoked. It's going down and you guys can be a part of it. I want you to be a part of it, so check it out now. Spread the word. Tell your friends, tell your family. I know there's a lot of people out there that are asking me how to get into the rig welder lifestyle. I mean, people in their 40s, their 50s. It's not too late. It's never too late. It's never too late. If you're out there in your late 30s and you're thinking it's too late, it's never too late. It's never too late to put a rig together, get this stick welding down, learn how to weld this pipe, and go after this pipeline dream. If you don't think it's real, then you don't have a lot of faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. It all starts with believing in yourself. If you don't have faith and believe in yourself, you don't get it, right? So that's my little spiel for today. I hope you like it, guys. It's the Wednesday spill. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but I want to do something special on Wednesdays for you guys, where I get on here and I talk for you guys. You guys can help me come up with a name. Actually, that'd be awesome if you guys started thinking of all kinds of Wednesday Wally Welding World names and put it in the comments. We just want it with the three W, so make sure you put the 3W down in there. We're gonna come up with something with Wednesday in there. Maybe try to put Wednesday in the middle, like Wally's Wednesday Welding or Wally's Wednesday World. Just something cool, man. I think so. I know that I could think of something, but I'd also like to see the creativity of my audience, because I know you guys are creative too. And I never really asked for creativity because my mind's overflowing with thoughts and ideas, and I mean, it won't ever run out. I will be sitting to the end of my days with my mind racing 100 million miles an hour, trying to figure out, what I'm gonna do next. But I don't know. It's just me, man. I've always got like 5 different ways of doing something, you know? Like, oh, I can do it this way, I can do it that way. That's just me. I like to know how to do it more than one way. So that's it. I'm out, guys. Leave it in the comments. Spread it. Yo, like it. Share it, please. Spread it, man. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you don't hit the subscribe button, then you might not be able to get notified. So I think there's a notification bell that notifies you. So make sure you hit the notification bell. All right, guys. And that'll give you straight notifications every time I drop a video. We're going to be dropping a lot of videos because that's what I do. You know, it's great. I love it. I love this YouTube platform. It's awesome. You guys are awesome. I hope you guys want more content. I got a lot of content I want to drop, but the content you want to see, email me. Email me the content you want to see. Don't leave it in the comments, the comment you want to see. Email me, wallyzweldingworld@gmail.com, and tell me the content you want to see. I got a lot of content I'm going to be dropping, so just bear with me as I drop my content, and we'll get to your content that you need explained and elaborated on. All right, guys, until then, WELDProfessor's out. I'll rap to you later. I'm out. Peace.